Okay, this is our Rube Goldberg project explanation. First here is my phone, which Logan's going to call, and it's going to vibrate off this corner of this table. And doing this, it's going to pull this fishing line, which is attached to Tyler and I's egg drop project, which is part of the requirement. And it falls down on this board, which is a seesaw. It is a demonstration of the center of gravity. And on the end of the seesaw is another thing of fishing line, which is attached to this paddle. And when it pulls that, it's going to fall. And it hits the edge of this bullet, which is taped to a button. And that is Newton's third law. And it turns on music when it hits the button, and it also turns on this roller coaster. And when it turns on this roller coaster, there's a magnet underneath the ball, and it pulls up, and it's an example of constant velocity. The ball will go over, here's our power tee also. The ball is going to go over this little hump right here, and it's a small mass, fast acceleration, which is Newton's second law. And when it's on the track, it's Newton's first law. Object in motion will stay in motion. And here's our ruler right here, which is our measurement device. Then once it does that, it's going to go around this track. It's going to go down here, loop around, come down here, and it's going to fall in the middle of this table. And when it falls in this table, it's going to fall down here into this white cooler. And it'll take about 3 seconds for that to do that. And in the corner of this cooler, there's a hole which is linked into this funnel. And when the ball falls down, it's going to hit that mouse trap. That'll bounce. And it's going to pull this rope when the mouse trap goes off. Pull the trigger on this little toy gun. And the yellow ball shooting into the target is an example of projectile motion, and it's also our test, or what?